Updating your payout information on HotelTonight Business is essential for ensuring you receive payments smoothly. Follow these steps to make the process simple and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the HotelTonight Business website or app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile area where you can manage your personal and business information. Step 3. Select Payout Information. In the Account Settings, look for an option labeled Payout Information or Payment Settings. Click on this option to proceed to the payout details. Step 4. Update your payment method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes, and check for any confirmation message indicating that your payout information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout information on HotelTonight Business. Make sure to review your details periodically to keep your account up to date.